A message to CXOs from Shanti Kumar V. Look for my CXOs practices from my LinkedIn newsletter. Unlock your full potential and drive your organization towards unparalleled success by reflecting on these critical questions. Each question is designed to challenge your strategic thinking, enhance your leadership skills, and inspire innovative solutions. Embrace this opportunity to delve deeper into your practices and discover actionable insights that will propel your career and your company to new heights. Here are 60 different questions tailored to motivate CXOs and encourage them to reflect on and improve their practices, planning and tracking profit and loss. How do you set financial goals and ensure they are aligned with your overall business strategy? What are your key performance indicators, KPIs, for tracking financial performance? How do you analyze financial data to make informed business decisions? What strategies do you use to manage costs and improve profitability? How do you forecast revenue and expenses to ensure accurate budgeting? What tools and technologies do you use to monitor and report on financial performance? How do you handle cash flow management and ensure liquidity for your company? What processes do you have in place for financial auditing and compliance? How do you assess the financial impact of new projects or investments? How do you communicate financial performance and results to stakeholders and the board? AI integration. How can you leverage AI to drive innovation within your company? What role does data analytics play in your decision-making process? How do you evaluate and integrate new technologies into your business processes? How do you ensure your team remains focused and aligned during periods of rapid growth? How do you align your company's innovation goals with its financial objectives? Continuous learning and adaptability. What strategies are you using to ensure continuous learning and adaptability in your leadership team? How do you keep yourself and your team motivated during challenging times? How do you ensure your company stays ahead of industry trends and technological advancements? What techniques do you use to foster a growth mindset among your employees? How do you handle resistance to change within your organization? Global market insights. How do you integrate global market insights into your product development strategy? What role does customer feedback play in your product development process? How do you incorporate sustainability practices into your business strategy? How do you balance the need for innovation with the constraints of regulatory compliance? How do you manage and prioritize your time to focus on strategic initiatives? Vision and strategic planning. What are the key elements of your vision for transforming the company in the next 5 years? How do you balance short-term goals with long-term strategic planning? How do you ensure alignment between your company's vision and its operational execution? How do you measure and track the success of your strategic initiatives? How do you foster a culture of continuous improvement and innovation? Leadership and team development. How do you identify and nurture high-potential talent within your organization? How do you ensure effective communication and collaboration across different departments? What role does mentorship play in your leadership style? How do you inspire your team to embrace new technologies and innovations? How do you create a culture of accountability and ownership within your organization? Risk management and innovation. What are your strategies for managing risk while pursuing innovative projects? How do you handle failure and setbacks in your projects? What steps are you taking to enhance your company's digital transformation journey? What are your strategies for fostering collaboration and teamwork in a remote work environment? How do you manage and leverage big data in your business? Customer-centric approaches. What steps are you taking to enhance your company's customer experience? How do you ensure your company is agile and responsive to market changes? What role does customer centricity play in your company's growth strategy? How do you promote a culture of ethical decision-making in your organization? What are your strategies for driving employee engagement and satisfaction? Corporate social responsibility and ethics. What are your top priorities when it comes to corporate social responsibility? What role does ethical leadership play in your decision-making process? How do you ensure your company's values are reflected in its day-to-day operations? What are your approaches to fostering a healthy work-life balance for your employees? How do you promote a culture of ethical decision-making in your organization? Strategic partnerships and global impact. What role do strategic partnerships play in your business growth? How do you leverage global market insights into your product development strategy? What steps are you taking to develop future leaders within your organization? How do you inspire your team to embrace new technologies and innovations? How do you ensure alignment between your company's vision and its operational execution? Innovation and digital transformation. What are your approaches to driving digital transformation and innovation in a competitive market? How do you foster a culture of continuous improvement and innovation? How do you create a culture of accountability and ownership within your organization? How do you balance the need for innovation with the constraints of regulatory compliance? How do you handle resistance to change within your organization? During the job coaching of CXOs, the answers to these questions will be covered towards practices implementation, ensuring a comprehensive and actionable plan for success. Learning and reflecting on these questions can offer numerous benefits for CXOs. Comprehensive self-assessment, holistic evaluation. These questions help CXOs conduct a comprehensive self-assessment, identifying strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement across various aspects of their role. Strategic alignment. They enable CXOs to align their personal and organizational goals with long-term strategies, ensuring that their leadership is cohesive and forward-thinking. Enhanced decision-making, informed decisions. By considering these questions, CXOs can make more informed and strategic decisions, using data-driven insights and market analysis. Risk management. They help in identifying potential risks and developing robust strategies to mitigate them, thereby enhancing overall resilience. Leadership development, skill enhancement. Reflecting on these questions can lead to the development of essential leadership skills, such as strategic planning, team management, and innovative thinking. Mentorship and coaching. These questions encourage CXOs to focus on mentoring and developing future leaders within their organizations, ensuring a legacy of strong leadership. Operational efficiency, process improvement. By addressing these questions, CXOs can identify areas where operational efficiencies can be improved, leading to cost savings and better resource allocation. Performance metrics. They can set clear performance metrics and KPIs, allowing for more effective tracking of progress and accountability. Innovation and adaptability, fostering innovation. These questions encourage a culture of continuous improvement and innovation, helping CXOs to stay ahead in a competitive market. Adapting to change. They promote adaptability and responsiveness to market changes, ensuring that the organization can pivot quickly when necessary. Customer-centric focus, enhanced customer experience. Reflecting on customer-centric questions helps CXOs improve the overall customer experience, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. Feedback integration. They ensure that customer feedback is effectively integrated into product and service development, aligning offerings with market needs. Ethical and social responsibility, ethical leadership. These questions reinforce the importance of ethical decision-making and corporate social responsibility, building a positive organizational culture. Sustainability practices. They encourage the incorporation of sustainability practices into business strategies, promoting long-term ecological and social benefits. Profit and loss management, financial acumen. Learning these questions enhances C.X.O's ability to set financial goals, manage budgets, and track profitability effectively. Stakeholder communication. They improve the ability to communicate financial performance to stakeholders, ensuring transparency and trust. During the job coaching of CXOs, the answers to these questions will be covered towards practices implementation, ensuring a comprehensive and actionable plan for success. By contemplating these questions, CXOs can foster a more strategic, innovative, and effective leadership style, driving their organizations towards sustained success and growth.